today's video, we will be modifying my 2018 Q50 Lux headlights. I will be installing the RGB Demon Eyes and the RGB DRLs on my headlights. As you all see, we do got both headlights out. The other headlights is inside the house. We're going to get ready to prep and break them down. As you see now, we're going to be blacking out the headlight housing. I'm going to be frosting out this eyebrow, and I'm going to be frosting out this half moon right here. So as far as anybody who's new or don't know what the DRLs and the Demon Eyes is, so the DRLs is basically the eyebrow right here, and it's also the angel eye. I mean, not the angel eye, the half moon. This is the DRL too. So we're going to be frosting out these lenses right here for the eyebrow and the half moon. We're going to be frosting those out, and everything that you see like that silver grayish type of color, we're going to be blacking out the housing of the headlights. And also I'm going to be blacking out the housing on that turn signal right there. So everything is going to be black, and then it's just going to be frost, and then plus the RGB light that we got. I'm not going to shout out the company who I got it from, just for the simple fact of that we had a little bit commotion on me receiving my headlights. I mean, as far as me receiving my kit, they try to make it seem like I was trying to finesse them, which that wasn't even the case. But that's neither here nor there to say. We finally got our products. So this whole front end gonna be looking like a whole different car, man. So y'all just stay tuned to the video. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you for tuning in. Hope you like what you see, and man, let's get to it.
Talk. Yeah. Niggas be hating cause I'm really doing what these niggas wasn't. Used to ask for features, now they want one cause I'm buzzing. Random place keep calling, putting miles on the budget. Had to take a risk, I had an attitude like fuck it. Made it out my city with no bullets, bitch, I'm lucky. School clothes had to go into them, mama bought them husky. Money espresso needed, hit the flow, I damn touch it. I knew life was pretty back when I was in the ugly. Ain't go looking for no plug, found a way to make it work. Food was falling out our laps, should've got a table first. Knew I was gonna be a boss, niggas like me hate the work. I'm too busy getting money, name ain't on no paperwork. People say that I'ma make it, hope that I don't burst that bubble. Smartest nigga in my hood, but can teach you how to hustle. Show you how to bring them bands in without moving the muscle. Make this shit look easy for the hard times that I had to juggle. Back hurting from carpet flows, what you know about the struggle? What you know about being broke, feeling like nobody love you? What you know about keeping it real with niggas and they saying fuck you? Letting them get in your mind, every second shit gon' bug you. Never acting Hollywood, I was in East Lake, remember times when shit was hardly good. Bro said grab the pen and get back in, I said I probably should. I'm scared for my life, my city shooting like they riding in hood. Grab my fight, no probably should. City like crabs in the bucket, fuck it, gotta make it out. I can't go follow their trace, this here ain't no basic law. I can't go hop on their wave, I'ma let them play it out. That's when I walk in and see the look on all their faces now. Mouth dropping, leave niggas sharp. Exercise the shit on niggas, my turn to go pop a squad. Back and forth I walk in, I'ma tear this bitch down like I'm job. Gang protect the money, if I'm touched that's when somebody's dropped. Please don't try to be a op, they be hating cause I'm really doing what they wasn't. Used to ask for features, now they want one cause I'm buzzing. Random place keep calling, pulling miles on the budget. Had to take a risk, I had an attitude like fuck it. Made it out my city with no bullets, bitch, I'm lucky. School clothes had to go into them, mama bought them husky. Money espresso needed, hit the flow, I damn touch it. I knew life was pretty back when I was in the ugly. Go. I remember, man. I remember I used to